Well, I better get ready for class. Whoa, this is so cool! What hairstyle should we choose? Not green. I think I know. We'll go for number 3. Ugh, what is that supposed to be? Let go! It's mine! I want to see it! Whoa! What happened? You're finally here at last. Welcome to the Art Challenge! I guess we better get started. First up we have… drum roll, please. A rainbow! Wow, I love rainbows! Let's just get on with this. I need something for my bag. Ooh, I'll check my bag. What have I got? That's your bag? Aha! I can use it for my drawing. Hey, I forgot I had this. It still smells good. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna throw up. I'm just messing. I just need a pen. A diamond-encrusted pen, of course. Ugh, where did this come from? That gives me an idea. Hey, Candle! Get it away from me! Ugh, so gross. Okay, I'll start by folding the paper. I'll place the pencil tin on it and use it to draw a circle. Then I'll draw a face on it. I'll start with the eyes. I'll split the smile over the folds. What a lovely smile. Now I'll open the paper up. I'll use my money as a ruler. I'll join up the face. Then it's time to add some color. I want it to be as bright as possible. And I'll draw a rainbow inside the mouth. Now I can fold the paper back over. It looks great! Check it out! It's pretty good, huh? Wow! My jaw is dropping! Brittany hasn't even started yet. There must be something I can use. Oh hey, I found my old chalk. I can definitely use this. I just need my trusty hammer. I'll quickly make a butterfly stencil. I'll place it on a sheet of black card. Next I'll put the chalk on it. And then it's bashing time! Oh yeah, that feels good! This really works out my tension. Now I can remove the stencil. I'm left with a beautiful butterfly. Excellent work, girls! I know! It's such a tough decision, but Brittany wins! Really? Wow, thanks! Ugh, that's so unfair! Hey, I like your drawing. Hey, romance is in the air. Here's your next challenge. It's a love heart. And to inspire you, I have a special guest. Take a look over there. Hello, ladies. I call this my smoldering look. Gee, I'm so glad I brought that wind machine. He's cute. Hey, I saw him first. Nuh-uh. I need to win this round. I'll have to create something special. Give me the love hearts. I want more. I'm going as fast as I can. I'm not good under pressure. Here you go. This is just what I need. Brian is so dreamy. We'd be so happy together. Okay, let's do this. I'll start with a romantic message. I think that says exactly how I feel. Now I'll go around it with a gold pen. I'll add some stars. I wrote messages on the other hearts. I think I'll choose this one. I'll fold the sides. And press them down to create a crease. Now I'll fold the top over. It makes a small envelope. I'll use a sticker to seal it. I'll put it with the rest. It's a little collection of love letters. It makes the cutest keyring. Whoa, that's pretty good. This might be tougher than I thought. I'm struggling to think of something. Okay, here goes. I'll draw a love heart, but it's not a conventional love heart. It's different, but it looks good. Hello there. I'm loving the hobo look. And this drawing? C'est magnifique. A rose for a rose. Wow, such a gentleman. And what's this? Is that for me? Beautiful and talented. What a combo. I have something for you. Be still, my heart. Yeah, I get that reaction a lot. Anything for me? Be quiet, this is my time. This is handy. Just a little joke. The next challenge is… a brush. Where's Brittany? Don't look at me. Whatever. Let's start without her. Go ahead. This should be easy. Hello, I want an order. What great service. I love shopping. It's my favorite hobby. Okay, let's get this out of the box. How did it even fit in here? Ugh, it's heavy. but it's perfect! I don't need this box anymore. Sorry I'm late. Oh my gosh, is that toilet paper? Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, right. Oops. Well, that was embarrassing. So what did I miss? Wait. I just need to do something. Please stop. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh, I can use this. I don't need a paintbrush. I'll snap it in half. Then I'll roll it in toilet paper. I want to keep it nice and tight. Next, I'll wrap it in green plastic. Just like this. Once that's done, I need a sticker. This will hold it in place. It looks good. I'll place it into this clear tube. I think it's ready. I'll dip the first swab into pink paint. It matches the color of the plastic. And then I'll brush it onto the paper. When I'm done with that color, I just swap the swabs around. It's time for some blue. I'll let the paint absorb into the swab. And I can get back to creating my art. What the? So it's like that, is it? You ain't seen anything yet. I have big plans. I'm about to create a masterpiece. I'm finished! What? Why would you do that? You lose! Come on! The brush slipped! Sorry. Gotta keep my potassium levels up. This is the next challenge. All this work is making me hungry. Get me something to eat! Ooh, this is more like it. It all looks so delicious. What should I try first? Whoa, that does look good. I want it! Get your grubby hands off it! I don't want you touching my food! Come on, you won't eat all of it! Fine, I'll give you an egg. Catch! Whoa! Easy! Don't drop it! Phew, that was close. Thanks for this. I'll crack the egg into a bowl. I want to keep the yolk separate. I'll put that in another bowl. I'll use my fingers to break it. It feels all slimy. Next, I'll add a small amount of oil. Just a little more. Now I can stir it. Next, I'll fill a syringe with the mixture. It makes it easier to work with. And it's not as messy. I'll add the egg mixture to powdered paint. I don't need a lot. Just a few drops. I'll use a brush to mix the egg and paint together. That looks about right. Now I'll take the eggshell and crush it slightly. I want to break it into small pieces. I'll take this piece of the shell and I'll paint it blue. I love this color. I've drawn a vase and I'll stick the shell onto it. Then I'll add flowers. I couldn't eat another bite. Wait. Maybe I ate too much. Whoa! Oops. My bad. Better out than in. I don't want to waste any food. Maybe I can create something with it. I've painted a sheet of card blue, and I'll use the broccoli as a brush. I'll dab paint over the paper. I'll use different colors. It gives an amazing leaf effect. Check it out! Ooh, that's pretty. I love it. Very creative. How do I decide? It's tough, but Kendall wins! Yes! I'm the greatest. Okay, take it easy, Picasso. Whee! Look at it go! Take a look at your next challenge. How exciting. Are you kidding? I've no idea what we're supposed to do with that. Aw, there's a loose thread on my shirt. There's another one. That's all I need. Maybe these might come in useful. Ooh, makeup. Maybe Kendall won't notice. This is my chance. Just act natural. Nothing to see here. The perfect crime. I'll cover the thread in string. Then I'll put it on my notebook. I'll arrange it in a wave pattern. Then I'll close the notebook over. I'll pull the thread. It leaves behind an abstract painting. It looks great! Wow, that's actually quite impressive. Wait, Brittany. Yes? Oh, how did that get there? Keep it. I'll use this brush. I'll paint my canvas black, but I'll stop halfway. Then I'll apply a line of glue. I'll brush the glue over the black paint and the blank canvas. Just like this. Before it sets, I'll sprinkle glitter over it. I need to be quick. Phew, this is hard work. Huh? Is that gold? That'll look great on my painting. Even my dandruff is rich. I should buy better shampoo, though. I'll place a heart stencil onto the canvas and grab a can of spray paint. I'll go over the stencil with it. It's so vibrant! I'll carefully remove the stencil. Wow, I'd hang that on my wall. It's good, isn't it? Oh yeah, wait until you see this. Whoa! My eyes! I can't see! Put it down! That's better. Wow, it's wonderful! It is pretty special. Give me a warning next time. Whoa, look at all this stuff. That's the end of the challenge. It's time to announce the winner. Me, pick me! I'm so nervous. Who will it be? It's Kendall! I don't believe it! I tried my best. Well done. Wait. We should share the prizes. Really? You mean it? Woohoo! I'm not really a hugging person. It's so beautiful. Art is the real winner. That challenge was brimming with creativity. Who do you think produced the best art? Kendall or Brittany? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative videos.